What's going on, y'all? I just want to drop this clip in before I get to the video. I just want to say rest in peace, Nipsey Hussle. I was a fan of your music to a certain extent. I'm not going to say I'm the hugest fan, but I listened to Victory Lap. I listened to all the music, but more importantly, I seen your legacy. I seen the things that you created. I'm an avid YouTube watcher, so I seen things that you've been doing in your neighborhood, building stores, giving back, giving people opportunities, chances. I heard all good things through you, through other artists, and their experiences with you. So I just want to say salute, man. Rest in peace. Praying for the family. I'm not looking to all the conspiracies and all these different things. I just want to say that, man. That's a time for mourning. So I just want to say that this is not for any attention. I just want to, I just respect, legacies and things that I see people create. He's bringing awareness to certain things. So that's all I'm here for. I'm not here, just to say anything, but rest in peace, man. Salute Nipsey Hussle, man. Peace.
Hey man, when I went, that line was long as ever. G, how you get them so quick?
Line? You think I waited in line for these?
Did you? Bro, calm down, bro.
I'm ahead of time, I'm going all out. If it's time, I'm getting my shine on, I've been on my grind. Feel like I'm different, I'm one of a kind.
Yo, your boy 5Man ETV back in the building, and as y'all can see, I'm back with another unboxing. First and foremost, shout out to the Fire Squad, shout out to all the subscribers, all the love and supporters, man. Your boy, we back at it, just dropping another video for y'all. I had to do it, man, and I had to do it. But honestly, speaking of that, I gotta break down this story. So basically, I copped the other two 350s from the same place, Finish Line. And the first times I did it, I just made the phone call to see if they had some, and I went up there. Now these, I heard about the hype around it and all that, so I just said, I'll just do the raffle. I lost the raffle for the zebras, and I lost the raffle for the sesames. So this time, I caught the W, you know what I mean? I'm gonna drop that, right now. I'm gonna see it come on the screen that your boy, actually won the raffle for the Finish Line. So it wasn't like a plan for me to buy this or to make this video, but I thought this is like, honestly, right now it's my favorite colorway for the 350s. And I just had to do it, man. So right now, without further ado, I'm gonna break down, what I like about the shoe, the colorway and all that. And so I just want y'all to say how y'all feel about them, if y'all like them. I don't mind, so I just want to do this unboxing, see how y'all feel. 350s, they grew on me at first. Like I said, I didn't like them. I thought they was a little bit too wide, but I had to see them up close. I was kind of watching it on other people's feet and how they was dressing with it. It's a certain way I feel like you got to wear them and all that. So right now I just want to, break down how I feel about them, how I feel about the colorway, so on and so forth. So in a minute, I'm going to, show y'all what I got going on. So without further ado, let's get right to the shoe. Yeah. Let's get it. Oh man, I know how we're doing it. Y'all know how we doing it. That's how I'm doing this one. I do this every video. I know never really I ain't even gonna open them all, so that's why I get the shoe. Man, that color, man. They went nuts with these. Shout out to Finish Line. Shout out to Finish Line. Definitely rocking with y'all. Finish Line definitely looked out for a real one. So there we go, man. 350 V2. Clay, colorway. You dig, man. You see the inside. Ain't even, no feet touch these. You dig me? Got that boost. You dig that colorway. I like how they did that shift. On the phone it look a little bit different. Actually, I'm recording from my phone right now. I left my camera somewhere. Yeah, that's cool. So we got that, man. I just love like that see-through. They got the see-through right here, like the statics. But that was dope too. So you can kind of, see your socks or whatever you got going on under there. So yeah, man, I have to give it up like that. I know I'm a big player. We gonna do every Yeezy that come out. I passed up on the statics because I knew I wanted, you know, a different colorway. And I knew I wasn't gonna be able to get them. I was at work, and you know what I mean, I ain't really had nobody look out for me, to be honest. So yeah, man, Yeezy 350 clays, man, the YouTube joint. Yeah. I'm gonna just, next clip, I'll probably just do a little on foot. It's gonna be my first time actually putting them on, you know what I'm saying? I know my size because I got a couple more other, I don't even know what that sticker is. I don't know what that sticker is, but yeah, I'm gonna take it off. Put that on there. Put it on the boxes. Okay, yeah, so, yeah, next clip, I'm gonna do a little on foot review, just give y'all a little quick look. I didn't put an outfit together for it or nothing right now. I did buy a shirt actually that I feel will go dope with it, a little Marvel shirt. Matter of fact, I just, you know, seen these up there. I mean, hey, my bad. It's not even, yeah, it is a little Marvel shirt. It got the little, feel like that'll go with that. You gotta see it up close. It actually go together, certain colorway. Now, I know this wasn't like the best movie, you know. Actually went to see that Captain Marvel, whatever, with the chick. I could have said this, but I just thought it'd go with the shoes. With the front though, I probably ain't gonna see that. I probably have a little jacket on, but with the front though, hard body. You know what I mean? Shouts out to Marvel. I have to get these, man. But right now, I'm about to do an on full review, and I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Peace. Yeah, here we go, baby. You dig it? Man, the vibes is real. These, I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, it's a lot about that colorway, man. Can't really, it's not even like something similar to this out now, so I had to cop. Definitely got it back. Matter of fact, it actually go with my guest coat. I can really step out on them like this, but I ain't doing nothing special today. But yeah, I feel like these is dope, man. That comfort is these 350s is nice. 700, sometimes I feel like they comfortable, and sometimes I feel like these are, but yeah, I have to cop the clays, man. If you know, you know. Yeah, man. Good quality shoes too, so don't get it twisted. It's worth $1 for me. Oh, what's these? These limited edition Adidas, the Chinese vibe, you know what I mean? Online only, can't get them, sold out instantly. You did probably go to StockX, but yeah. Anyway, back to the clays, you did. But that's just my vibe for the day. So yeah, summertime vibes coming soon, man. So we had these fits rocking with it. So yeah, just want to give y'all a quick little glimpse at the vibes. New cop, clay V2. You might want to cop, man. The lines is crazy. I was standing in line at first looking stupid, not even knowing that my reservation was, I'm thinking it was all reservation. They wasn't letting nobody in. Yeah, I mean, I be feeling bad sometimes walking past all them people like that. But anyway, these joints are decent, man. You know what I mean? More vlogs coming soon. More content on the way. Stay tuned. You dig. Well, with that being said, that's the end of this, man. Unboxing, review, opinion. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Shouts out to the Finish Line again. They definitely hooked me up this time, because I would have missed out on a dope shoe if I didn't really, you know, really pay attention to, you know, he shot the Yeezy Mafia too. I actually, you know, followed them on IG, and that's how I be keeping up with the updates. The triple blacks, yeah, I have to, you know what I mean? Them 700s hard, man, hard. Me and my homie just talked about them earlier. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely cop those. All black is a must. So yeah. Just wanted to say that, touch bases with the squad, the Fire Squad. Y'all know what it is, man. More content coming soon. Matter of fact, go check out some of my old vids. Go like, share, subscribe, man. Thanks for all the love. And write down in the comment section what you think of these, man. What you think? Can y'all get that? Yeah. Y'all look at the drip, you feel me? So just let me know how y'all feel about them. Clay V2s. Y'all know I got more coming soon. I'm addicted, but I gotta have it. And it is a habit. Yeah. I'll holler at y'all. And I'm gonna see y'all next time. I'll let y'all in a minute, man. Like, share, subscribe. You know the vibes. Peace.